In this video, I'll be showing you the best way to remove a background noise from your video. We as a content creator, or a lot of us as a beginner, will find it very difficult to eradicate or to remove a background noise from our content. Without wasting much of your time, let me take you to other side of the studio and show you the possible best way, the best app that you can use to remove a background noise from your video, then and upload it to your YouTube channel or any other platform that you want to upload it to. Let's go to other side of the studio. Let me show you how to do that. Welcome back to the side of the screen. To remove a background noise from our video or video clip completely, all you need to do is to locate your editing app, any of the editing app. For me, I'm using Power Director. So if I click on this Power Director, so I'll wait for it to load. Just come here and click on new project. So what I need to do is to import the video that I want to remove a background noise for it. So if I click on this video, come down here and click on next, it will automatically import to my Power Director app. So listen when I will play this video, and I will play it after editing it or after I've removed the background noise, so that you can compare both of them. So just listen. Let me hit the play. So if I want to remove a background noise from this video, all I just need to do is to come here. I will click on the video, then I will locate this audio tools. I click on this audio tools. So I will come to the noise, and I click on the noise. So I will increase it to 100. So I've increased it to 100. The background noise has been reduced. But if I want to remove it totally, so what I need to do is that I will still come to this audio tools. You see this headquarter the noise. If I click on it, so I just have to wait for it to finish updating or removing the background noise process. So let me play this one, and you compare it with the first one that I play and see the difference. You can see that this one is, the noise is totally removed. You understand? So this is basically how you can remove a background noise from your video clips. So anytime you want to remove a background noise, you can easily go to your editing app, or you can use this Power Director editing app, and the background noise from your video. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.